Okay, here is my first example for you guys. So I've already input all the guesses from the people that I've asked how old they think I am. So once you have your data inserted into the first column, you're going to go to the column over it and type in this equation. So you have equal ABS, which stands for absolute, bracket. Then you want to click on here, your first one, and it'll auto-generate the column name, so you can see it's A-3. Then I want to subtract the real value. So in my case, I'm actually 29, so that's going to be my answer for my question, and I press answer. So you can see that the absolute value from the person's guess that I was 19 years old to 29 is 10. Now you could retype this and go down through each one, but instead I'm going to show you a shortcut. I simply drag and it auto generates the column. So now I have my guesses as well as my absolute value from their guess. So I'm going to highlight both columns now. I'm going to go to data. Sorry, I'm going to go to insert chart. Insert chart, you'll see this one here that you can actually see the outline of an absolute value graph. So I'm going to click that and insert. Now here's a very basic chart, but I want you guys to actually add in axis titles. So if you go up to this small little downwards arrow here and then go advanced edit. Here you can put in your title. So for mine, I'm going to say, how old do you think Miss Cole is? And then you can play around with all these different settings, but the minimum I want you to have is for the axis, I need a title. So for the horizontal axis or the x-axis, these were your guesses. So guesses for Miss Nicole's age. And you can see that it's showing up on the bottom. If you want to put one for the y-axis, you go to the left vertical up here, and this is going to be the distance from actual answer. Update. And there you go. So there I've created my graph. So that's just quick. You guys can play around with it, see if you can make it look a little bit prettier. The last thing I'll show you is if you go up to here, you can actually save image. It'll save to your desktop. So it'll save down there. So that is all you need to do to create your graph. Hope this helps.